In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone contacts that aren't syncing to iCloud after the iOS 18 update. If iOS 18 has thrown a wrench in your seamless syncing routine, you're not alone. Unfortunately, there are a few straightforward steps to get everything back in order. Let's dive right in and set your iPhone back to its perfect sync self. First and foremost, you want to ensure that iCloud Contacts is enabled on your device. This is a crucial step, as iCloud needs to know that you want your contacts included in its syncing process. To do this, head over to your iPhone settings and tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. From there, select iCloud and make sure that the contacts toggle is turned on. This will let your iPhone know that you're ready to start syncing those contacts through iCloud. Next up is ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Without a reliable connection, your contacts won't have the chance to sync to iCloud properly. So, whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, it's vital that your connectivity is active and steady. If you're on Wi-Fi, verify that it's operating without any issues. Similarly, if you're using cellular data, check that it's working fine too. Sometimes a quick glance at the network or even doing a speed test can confirm that everything is good to go on the internet front. Moving on, let's try a classic troubleshooting step that works more often than you'd think: restarting your device. Go ahead and power off your iPhone or iPad completely. Once it's off, wait for about 10 seconds. Giving it these extra few moments ensures that all active processes close properly. After those 10 seconds, turn the device back on. A restart can refresh system operations and might just be the nudge your device needs to get the syncing back to functioning smoothly. Lastly, if your contacts are still not syncing, it's time to sign out of iCloud and sign back in. Start by going back into the settings app and tapping on your name at the top once more. Scroll down and tap on sign out. After you've signed out, restart your device as you did before, waiting 10 seconds before powering it back on. Once your device is running again, return to the settings application. Sign back into iCloud by entering your Apple ID credentials. Sometimes signing out and back in can reset any syncing hiccups and ensures your contacts have a fresh start with iCloud. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any contact syncing issues following the iOS 18 update. Don't forget to always keep your iOS version updated to the latest version, as further updates may contain fixes for any ongoing issues like these. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you need any more help or have suggestions for future tutorials.